fisheye lens camera. Today we are offering a special offer for the 4K model. This is an IP camera with fisheye lens, full metal design, 3 IR LEDs. So usually this type of camera on the market is like $80, and today we are offering a special deal, $30. $30 is including the PoE function built in this camera. If you don't need the PoE function, it can be like $27. It has 1.7 millimeter fisheye lens, 4K resolution. You can see the view from this camera on the screen. Very wide lens. You can see very wide angle. It's a fisheye lens, 360 degrees. If you install one camera in the center of the room, you can see the entire room. Very good color from this camera. It's like a virtual reality 3D camera. So it also supports ONVIF. It can be connected with Hikvision or Daha NVR or any other third-party NVR. You can view this camera from your app too. And when you are viewing, you can zoom in and also go check different angles. It can adjust the view from the mobile app. It has also motion detection. Can trigger alarm if you have some alarm settings.
And it is mental case IP66 waterproof too. This is the 1.7 lens, and this 1, 2, 3 is its IR lines of this camera, and it can be very easy to install. And this can be so. If you want to know more details, you can click the link behind your right hand. They have the detailed specifications of this camera. So if you want to know more details. Next we will move on to the next bandit camera.